Technology companies shape how we communicate, work, shop, and even think. From smartphones and cloud computing to artificial intelligence and social media, these corporations absolutely dominate the global economy. Today, we're going to explore the largest technology companies in the world by their market capitalization. We'll look at what they do, why they're so incredibly powerful, and what makes them worth trillions of dollars. Let's get right into it. First, what exactly is market capitalization? You'll often hear it called market cap, and it's simply the total value of a publicly traded company's shares. To calculate it, you just multiply the current price of one share by the total number of shares that exist. So, in simple terms, market cap tells us how big a company is in the eyes of investors. A higher market cap means investors are willing to pay more for its stock, reflecting confidence in its future earnings and growth. It's a snapshot of what the market thinks a company is worth at any given moment. So, who's at the top of this list? Let's start with a company that needs no introduction, Apple. Apple is almost always ranked as the world's most valuable technology company, a title it has held for many years. Founded back in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, Apple truly revolutionized consumer technology. Their lineup of iconic products, like the iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, and AirPods, has created an ecosystem that is incredibly hard to leave. But Apple is much more than just a hardware company. Its services division, which includes the App Store, iCloud, Apple Music, and Apple Pay, now brings in billions of dollars in revenue every quarter. This combination of a fiercely loyal customer base, a premium brand image, and a powerful, integrated ecosystem of hardware and services keeps Apple securely at the top of the tech world. Next up is another titan of the industry, Microsoft. For decades, Microsoft has been a global leader in software, and now it's a powerhouse in cloud computing and enterprise solutions as well. Its most famous products are, of course, the Windows operating system and the Microsoft Office suite, which are used by billions of people every day. But in recent years, Microsoft's growth has been supercharged by its cloud platform, Azure, which competes directly with Amazon Web Services. They also own LinkedIn, the world's largest professional network, and the popular gaming brand Xbox. More recently, Microsoft has become a major force in artificial intelligence thanks to its deep partnership with OpenAI. By integrating AI into tools like Bing, Windows, and Office, they are positioning themselves at the forefront of the next technological revolution. It is really their strength in cloud computing and enterprise services that drives so much of Microsoft's massive valuation today. Now for a company that has had one of the most meteoric rises in recent history, Nvidia. Nvidia started out primarily as a company making graphics cards, or GPS, for the gaming market. Gamers loved their products because they delivered incredibly realistic and smooth graphics. But today, Nvidia is the backbone of the artificial intelligence revolution. It turns out that the same powerful GPS used for gaming are also perfect for training and running complex AI models. As a result, Nvidia's chips are now essential for data centers, self-driving cars, scientific research, and pretty much any application that involves heavy-duty AI processing. As the demand for AI continues to explode across every industry, Nvidia's technology has become an indispensable resource, pushing the company's market cap into the stratosphere and placing it among the most valuable companies on the planet. Let's move on to another household name, Alphabet, which is the parent company of Google. Alphabet's portfolio is vast and influential. At its core is Google Search, which absolutely dominates the online search market and serves as the foundation for its massive digital advertising business. Then there's YouTube, the world's largest video platform, which is also a huge source of advertising revenue. The Android operating system, which powers the majority of the world's smartphones, is also part of Alphabet. Beyond these core businesses, Alphabet is investing heavily in future technologies through divisions like Waymo for autonomous vehicles and DeepMind for cutting-edge AI research. While advertising still remains its biggest revenue source by far, Alphabet's relentless innovation in AI, cloud infrastructure, and other moonshot projects is what fuels its long-term growth and keeps investors excited. Of course, no list of top tech companies would be complete without Amazon. Many people still think of Amazon as just an online store, but it is so much more than that. While it does lead the world in e-commerce, a huge portion of its value comes from a completely different business, Amazon Web Services, or ORS. ORS is the world's largest cloud computing platform, providing the digital infrastructure for countless companies. From small startups to massive corporations like Netflix and Meta, ORS alone generates massive profits and is the main driver of Amazon's overall profitability. On top of that, Amazon operates a global logistics and delivery network, produces movies and TV shows through Amazon Prime Video, and is a major player in AI with its Alexa smart assistant. This highly diversified business model is what helps Amazon maintain its position as one of the largest tech companies in the world. Next, we have Meta Platforms. You probably know Meta as the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Together, these apps connect billions of people around the globe every single day, making Meta a dominant force in social media and digital communication. Like Google, Meta earns the vast majority of its revenue from digital advertising, targeting ads to its enormous user base with incredible precision. But the company is also looking toward the future, which is why it changed its name from Facebook to Meta. Founder Mark Zuckerberg is betting big on the metaverse, investing tens of billions of dollars into developing virtual and augmented reality hardware and software through its Reality Labs division. While this is a long-term and risky bet, Meta is aiming to shape the future of digital interaction and build the next computing platform. Now for a company that walks the line between automotive and tech, Tesla. While Tesla is primarily known as an electric car company, its valuation reflects its status as a technology innovator. Tesla's strength lies not just in building cars, but in its battery technology, its advanced autonomous driving software, its powerful AI capabilities, and its growing energy solutions business, which includes solar panels and battery storage. The company's supercharger network is also a significant asset. Tesla's focus on innovation, led by the vision of Elon Musk, has captured the imagination of investors who see it as much more than just a car manufacturer. This forward-looking approach is what places it among the top tech giants by market valuation, even as it faces increasing competition in the EV space. Finally, let's talk about a company that you might not know by name, but whose products you almost certainly use every day, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC. TSMC is the world's leading and most advanced manufacturer of semiconductors, also known as chips. It doesn't design its own chips. Instead, it operates as a foundry, producing them for other companies. Its client list is a who's who of the tech industry, including Apple, Nvidia, AMD, and many others. Essentially, without TSMC, the modern world as we know it would grind to a halt. The latest smartphones, the most powerful AI systems, and the fastest data centers all rely on chips made by TSMC. Its critical role in the global technology supply chain and its manufacturing prowess make it one of the most strategically important and valuable companies in the world. So, why do these companies matter so much? Their influence goes far beyond their stock prices. These tech giants shape global markets, set the direction for future innovation, and have a profound impact on our everyday lives. From the AI that recommends our next movie and the cloud that stores our photos, to the social media that connects us with friends and the smartphones that we carry everywhere, their technologies truly define the modern world. They are not just companies, they are the architects of our digital reality. The race for the top spot by market capitalization is always changing as technology evolves at a breathtaking pace. New breakthroughs in quantum computing, clean energy, biotechnology, or even a completely new form of artificial intelligence could shake up this list in the coming years. What do you think the future holds? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.